Hello there folks, Chris here, Pedal with Power. I've been gone a while, but I'm back and I come bearing some interesting gifts. If you can see right here behind me, I've got a new Lectric XP box and this is gonna be the new 3.0. So I'm gonna take it out of the box and show you what it looks like and we'll get it all charged up and then I'll start doing some more videos on how it rides, what the range is like, how it climbs, all the usual stuff. So there'll be a whole slew of new videos based around this bike right here. Hope you enjoy. So let's just dive into this thing here. Hopefully it came out good. First you gotta get that off. We'll open it up. Right on. So inside here you can see it's basically how it comes boxed, pretty crammed in there. But one of the cool new features is it has this integrated rear rack. But let's pull the whole thing out of there and see what we got going on. So in this box on the top, we got the charger. And the whole bike is gonna be, try to yank this thing out of here. Looks like that's it. Alright. Back in there. So here it is. Let's start cutting off the new pieces here. There's a little Velcro strap here. Get it up. So now that we got all that out of the way, let me show you the goods here. So this is the new Lectric XP 3.0, as you can see right there. Some of the cool new features is this rear rack is now integrated. So it's all part of the frame so it can hold a lot more load. They're gonna offer like a passenger kit for it with a seat pad and pegs to put your feet on. It's also compatible with the clip-on child seats. So those will be an option now too. This particular one that I got, so this is the long range comfort bundle. So this came with the comfort seat package with the suspension seat post. It has a long range battery inside, so I'll be testing that out and see how far that thing goes. It's got the upgraded light. You can see that big light right there. It's pretty awesome. Also came with the electric folding lock. So these locks are pretty sweet too. I'll show you how this works, see if it's something that you want to get. So as you can see, another upgrade too is that they did put the 1128 freewheel on this one. So it's going to be better for those high ranges. Doesn't have the super low climbing gear, but that's okay. I can show you how to add that later. Keys still go in the bottom here and still has the same display. So you can see that right there. The brakes are a little bit improved. They don't really have a branding on them, so I'm not entirely sure like what brakes they are, but I'm still gonna put the cable pull hydraulics on this guy and I'll show you how to put those on. But all in all, pretty sweet. They also, oh yeah, so the suspension fork here, this has a little bit more travel. The old one had 40, this one has 50. So pretty neat. A little more coloring up here on the top. And these are available now at Lectric's website. I will leave links in the description below, so be sure to check those out and click on them. They're doing a whole lot of early Black Friday specials, so don't wait and check those out now. So there you have it. That's kind of the first look at this. I'll do a bunch of riding videos, and I'm also gonna do a good comparison video just side by side on the 2.0 and the 3.0. And if you already own a 2.0, I have a whole playlist on a whole bunch of stuff about it right up here. And stay tuned for more on the new Lectric 3.0.